Going to wind it up until the edge of the corner rounding end mill creates a nice little lip, nice little burr. Then I'm going to take the rest off on the lathe, smooth it out. I'm taking a spring cut because titanium does have quite a high torque pressure on it.